Don't do anything without first consulting with your lawyer. Some people will not understand. They think they are too smart. Some of them, as a result of um, education, they now think that they can do what a lawyer can do. Now, lie, big, fat lie. You cannot. You tell some people, don't go and do anything, any contract, without consulting with your lawyer. They will never understand. Let your lawyer vet your documents. Let your lawyer counsel you. Allow the lawyer to help you and point you in the right direction, so that at least to reduce your mistakes or avoid mistakes. In talking about this debenture, you will also know that first, even human beings have problems. And it is also human beings that you are transacting with. Sometimes it's even from institutions that this money is borrowed from. Sometimes maybe from individuals in very sound financial position. Okay. As much as it is advisable to document things. Why? Because documents, they speak for themselves. You must know at this point that, look, you see that document is evidence on its own. So that anywhere you take it to, what everybody is seeing is what is on the face of that document. Should anything go wrong in that transaction, what the court will interpret is what is on that document. So the way a share certificate protects interest of parties, both the shareholder and the company, that is also how a debenture certificate will protect the interest of either third parties or the debenture holder. Because it is possible for an innocent third party to rely on that document. So where an innocent third party relies on that document, how protected is that innocent third party should anything go wrong? Will you start blaming that person? Will the person go on unprotected? Will the person just be thrown away to go and suffer the inconvenience alone? Karma is saying no now. No, it cannot be like that. That would be too unfair to that innocent party. Because Karma is looking at it and saying that, look, this document is evidence on its own. Karma is looking at it and is saying that whatever that is contained in it is seen to be the truth. So if anybody takes any position in life, if anybody does anything while relying on the content of this document, and it now turns out that such reliance on this document is detrimental to him, what is going to happen? Who will take responsibility for addressing such situation? The law is saying that it will be the responsibility of the company. They are the ones that issued it. Why? The law is saying that this person would not have suffered this thing if he had not relied on the provisions contained in that debenture certificate. The law is also saying that, look, this person would not have suffered this bad luck if what you actually claim to be in this document have continued to be true. If they have continued to be true, and this person now came and relied on it, this problem would not have happened. It means that there's a problem somewhere. And because there's a problem somewhere, we are now saying that company, come and take care, come and bear this responsibility. Now note that the law is not also encouraging innocent people or people who are not parties to the transaction to take advantage of this provision and come and hurt the company. Now the law is saying that, you see this provision that we have made, we are not also saying that should anything happen on the side of any other person against the company, that the person will not compensate the company. Which means it's like a check on everybody's activity. Why? Because interests are involved. The company is in business. The holder of the debenture has his money in the company. There is now maybe any other person who has done anything that is not detrimental to the company. You now say the company should go and suffer for nothing. No, that person will compensate the company. I said I should tell you. A lot of people are opening companies these days. I have a company. Do you know what it takes? Do you know the mind of the law towards a company? Do you know how the law views transactions carried out by a company? That's what I'm telling you today. This is Xivia Law Essence, where we give you premium legal tips to help you make informed decisions, live informed life, and discover the very best version of yourself. We'll see you again.